In this video, I'm going to show you how to add individual error bars in Excel. Let's open an Excel spreadsheet. This is the sheet that I've taken as an example. Suppose we need to add individual error bars for this chart. Click on the chart to select it. After selecting it, a new menu will appear on the title bar. In the title bar, click on Chart Design. In the menu bar, click on Add Chart Elements. In the drop-down menu, click on Error Bars. In the pop-up, click on Standard Deviation. Here you can see that we have successfully added the error bars. Now we just need to adjust them according to our data. Click on Chart Elements, then Error Bars again. This time, click on More Error Bar Options. In the pop-up, select any one of your series and click on OK. A menu should appear on the right side of the display. On the menu, click on Custom, then Specify Value. A new pop-up should appear on the display. On this pop-up, select the positive error value and delete it. Now select the standard deviation range of your data. Repeat the process for the negative error value as well. After you are done, click on OK. Here you can see that we have edited the error bars according to our data. Following these steps, you can add individual error bars to your chart data easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.